Good morning, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'm going to be walking you through a 2019 270 Sea Ray Sun Deck Outboard. Starting back here at the motor, it is the new Mercury 4.6 liter V8 300 horsepower. Looks really good, doesn't it? Lots of room on the transom, plenty of lounging space back here at the lounger, ski pole. As you walk through the transom into the cockpit, you'll notice the mocha interior. There's a base plate for your keystone table. Two loungers, port and starboard, to include the helm seat. The helm includes a Fusion Bluetooth radio, all kinds of blue LED accent lighting, and of course the Simrad navigation GPS chart plotter. Moving into the head compartment. Very spacious head. Freshwater washdown as well. Heading up to the bow. Look at the space in the bow. It's just amazing. Flip down armrests, just like that. You can also place the table up here with the keystone. Beach boarding ladder. Let's turn around and take a look at this beauty. Again, this is Vincent at MarineMax in Clearwater. 270 Sun Deck Outboard with the new Mercury 300 horsepower engine. If you want to take a closer look at this boat or any of our other boats, you can call us here at the shop, 727-536-BOAT, or you can reach me on my personal cell phone, area code 803-760-0609. Thank you guys for joining me.